Hello, my dear viewers, and today we are back again at Samana in Puerto Bahia, going to have a look at a unit that was recently remodeled, so it is basically brand new. This unit has gone through a full reconstruction with new furniture. It also has a wonderful view of the ocean. The view going out into the Samana Bay, also, like I said, new furniture, all for a wonderful price. Now, I won't tempt you for long. I think we should start off with the view. Here it is. As you can see, this unit has 2 bedrooms and a separate room for servants or housemaids if you have one, or you can use it as a 3rd bedroom, as a sort of guest bedroom. The surface area of this unit is 1,750 square feet. So that's plenty of space. Everything has been remodeled here. So all the furniture, the paint, the inner workings of this unit, the plumbing, everything was redone here, brand new. So you can say this is a new unit and nobody's lived here, so it's fresh. Also, I would like to talk about the price. The price is just magnificent. 1,750 square feet going for $165,000 US dollars. Now, this is a hasty sale. The owners want to sell this unit as fast as possible, and everything's brand new, so I think this is a wonderful opportunity for you guys. Now, I consider myself very lucky to come across this opportunity and show you guys in this video a form of budget-friendly real estate here in the Dominican Republic that is also very comfortable. And also, guys, look at the magnificent view we have from this unit. Of course, it's a little foggy today, but you can see the whole of the Samana Bay right in front of you. On a sunny day, and we have 300 of those out of the whole calendar year, you can see the mountains right there in the distance that are on the other side of the bay. And specifically into this bay is where the humpback whales come to mate during their mating season. Whale spotting being here a very important and culturally important activity. Now, the complex itself is pretty big. It has multiple complexes and duplexes, like you can see right here. They have 3 or 4 floors. The territory is big, swimming pools, all the necessary amenities are available for you guys. You have bars, restaurants, parking spaces, so don't worry, guys, everything is here. Also, I might add, for the owners of these units and for those that rent them out and stay here, you have indoor parking right there. So just keep your cars clean outside of the rain. Here we have a pretty big and spacious terrace. And like I said, everything is brand new and just been installed here. This is a wonderful area to sit here in the mornings or in the evenings to watch the sunset and drink a cup of coffee. This is perfect. Look for yourselves, guys. Come on, nothing better than this. I mean, literally, this is a fairy tale. Also, for the more active out of my viewers, we have a tennis court on this residency right here. Also, we have a billiards club, rooms and activities for the kids where they can hang out, their own little kid clubs. Gyms, spas, conference halls, everything is here. Now, enough of that, and let's have a look at the bedrooms. Here is bedroom number 1. Here we have a king-size bed. The room itself is pretty big and spacious. You can see everything here is brand new, like I said multiple times already in this video. Also, here we have plenty of storage space, closet space. Nobody's lived here, so everything is new, guys. So I think this is a wonderful opportunity for those that want to move to the Dominican Republic, want to buy some property, something stable, something high quality, and for a good and fair price. And of course, all of that with a magnificent view. So this type of units are a rarity here, and this is not a one-in-a-lifetime opportunity, but it's pretty rare. Here we have the bathroom, full bathroom that goes to that bedroom, standard, everything's brand new, everything's nice. So you can see all the plumbing, all this stuff has been just recently installed. Best of materials, best of quality, everything's new, and I think that's very important for a lot of you guys, that everything's new. It doesn't have a lot of wear and tear on it. Now we're going to have a look at the 2nd bedroom and the 2nd bathroom. So here's the 2nd bathroom. Now, I don't think there's much to show here because it is identical to the 1st bathroom. Same layout, same design. So now let's have a look at bedroom number 2. Now here in this bedroom we have a queen-sized bed. This bedroom is also pretty spacious. Has a lot of closet space, as you can see here for yourself. You can put a lot of your own personal knickknacks if you feel the need to do that. Also, I would like to add that all the rooms have multiple windows in them, which lets in a lot of natural light. So these rooms are very light. You can see a lot of things in here, and it feels very fresh. Plus, all the windows let in fresh air, and you have a natural airflow besides the air conditioning and the air fans, which are also everywhere. But still, it's very healthy. It's very harmonious with nature, in my personal opinion. I like these types of houses and units that have a lot of light in them and a lot of windows. So here, standing on the balcony of this bedroom that this bedroom has access to, you can see for yourself that is in a very secluded area that's close to everything, but still it is secluded unto itself. It's very quiet and peaceful here. And here we are back in the living room area. Here we are in the kitchen. I'd like to add that everything is brand new. They reinstalled everything. Gas oven, gas stove, all brand new cupboards, a new refrigerator, new washing machine, new dryer. Everything's brand new. So when it comes to appliances, the furniture, and just in general, this whole unit is a very solid and good opportunity. And by the way, this refrigerator is from the company Whirlpool, which is a good company for kitchen appliances. Everything is in pristine condition because it's new. And now I would also like to mention that you can use this units for yourself, for your own personal use to live here, or you can rent them out. These types of units that have a view rent out like hotcakes, so this is also a very good investment opportunity, especially considering that it is a pretty big and spacious unit with 2 bedrooms. And now let's go have a look at the service room. Here we have the technical area with the washing machine, the dryer, the sinks, and all that for your laundry and storing all your things. So here you can just see for yourself everything that is located here and installed. And here, right here to our left, we have a sort of half bedroom quarters for people who service this unit, or you can use it as a guest room of sorts. In this room also everything's clean and brand new, very compact. Here we have an air fan too, and a full bathroom that's very small and compact, but still full bathroom. It has everything in it. So here you can have a look for yourself in the bathroom. It's pretty compact, as is the little bedroom, but it has everything you need for one person. Pretty tight, but still. So all in all, we continue this thought. This is a pretty big unit, 1,750 square feet, all for a price of $265,000 US. And the normal market price for this type of unit is about $320,000. But considering that the owners are selling this unit on a short notice, this is why the price is lower. Also, you can use this unit as an investment. You can rent it out through Airbnb or through the management of the hotel. And these type of units usually go for about $250 to $300 per night. And also considering the fact that this area itself is very popular with tourists, upper middle class type tourists. You will have a constant stream of tourists coming in and renting out this unit, especially during the season from November to May. Everything is booked out with a 90% capacity rate. That all said, I think this is the perfect unit to live in by yourself or with your family. I think this is what this unit is meant for. And just enjoy all the beauty that the Dominican Republic has to offer you. If you found this video helpful or interesting, please hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Telegram channel where I post all the up-to-date information about the real estate market here in the Dominican Republic. I'll see you in my next videos. Have a wonderful day. This has been Yuri from the Dominican Republic.